Hello everyone, this is Chaya Math Tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for further videos. If you like this video, please like it and share the video. In the previous videos, I had already explained about integers introductions and exercise 1.11 first problem. So if you want to watch the video, please go through the description and watch the video one. Then you will get to know about first and introduction about integers. In this video, I will explain 1.1 exercise 1.1 second problem. Second problem saying that in a quiz, a positive marks are given for a correct answer and a negative marks are given for an incorrect answer. If Jackson's scores in a 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? And this question is saying that for the correct answer they given a positive marks, that is 25, 15, 10. For a wrong negative marks they given a negative. For wrong answers they given a negative marks, that is 5 and a -10. We need to find his total marks at end Jackson score. First, solution. Jack's scores in a 5 successive rounds are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. Total marks got by Jack. We need to find the total marks, how much he got at the end. So we need to add whatever the marks given for negative and a positive answer. That is 25 plus -5. -5 write in the bracket. Write within bracket negative numbers and all, plus 15 plus 10. How many marks they given, that you need to add. Okay. Now 25. First simplify this step. Remove the brackets. Minus into plus is -5. Here minus into plus -10, plus 15 and plus 10. First 25 minus 5 is 20. -10 write as is. Plus 15 plus 10 is plus 25. 20 minus 10 is 10. That is equal to 5. 35 marks is scored by Jack. Thus 35 marks are got by Jack in quiz. Got it? Third problem. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Here there was two questions. We need to find the two things. That was temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. What was the temperature on Tuesday and what was the temperature on Wednesday? Okay. First, solution. On Monday, write on the question on the textbook, then you copied on the answer what I had written. Okay. On Monday, the temperature at Srinagar is equal to -5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, temperature dropped. On Tuesday, the temperature was dropped, that is 2 degrees Celsius. Drop means the temperature will be goes on decreased. So we need to find the temperature on Tuesday is, so when you, here the temperature is dropped means we need to subtract from the what was the temperature on minus 5 degrees Celsius, that is minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. Why I am taking here negative means here the temperature is down, temperature ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ minus 5 degree minus, here also minus, here also minus, minus into minus is plus, that is minus 5 degree minus 2 degrees Celsius is minus 7 degree Celsius. That is temperature on Tuesday is minus 7 degrees Celsius. One more question, that was what was the temperature on Wednesday? Okay, the temperature on, they had given temperature on, on Wednesday temperature rose up. Rose up means temperature increased, that is 4 degree. How much increased? 4 degree Celsius is increased. So we need to find the temperature on Wednesday, that is, here we already find the temperature on Tuesday. How much? minus 7 degree Celsius, that plus 4 degree Celsius, minus 7 degree Celsius plus 4 degree Celsius. Here I taken plus. Why I am taken here plus means here the temperature is rose up, means increased, that's why I had put a plus sign here. So minus into plus is minus, we need to subtract, that is minus 7 plus 4 is 3 degrees Celsius. Put a minus sign because here the greater number will be 7, its sign will be minus, that's why I am taken here minus. That is temperature on Wednesday is minus 3 degree Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degree Celsius and minus 3 degree Celsius respectively. Next, fourth problem. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1,200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So, in the problem is saying that here they given a picture of that. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter. Some one aeroplane ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ 5,000 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ಒಂದು ಸಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಿಂತ 5,000 ಮೀಟರ್ ಎತ್ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಅಟ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಮರೈನ್ ಕೂಡ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಮರೈನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಸಬ್ಮರೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫ್ಲೋಟಿಂಗ್. ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಸಬ್ಮರೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋಟಿಂಗ್. ಅದರದ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸು ಸಿ ಲೆವೆಲಿಂದ ಸಬ್ಮರೈನ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 1,200 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸಿ ಲೆವೆಲಿಂದ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 5,000 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೆಮ್? ಸಬ್ಮರೈನಿಂದ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ plane above the sea level is equal to 5,000 meter. How much? 5,000 meter. Floating a submarine below the sea level, that is 1,200 meter. Therefore, the vertical, we need to find the vertical distance between the plane b bar by w means between. Okay, you have to write complete word between. Okay, between the plane and the submarine. So for this we need to add these two distance, 5000 meter plus 1200 meter. How much we will get? 6200 meter. That's it. It's very simple problem. Just take the sea level aeroplane level, what's the meter they given, and the submarine level, and add those two, you will get an answer. That is 6200 meter. Lastly, find the conclusion. Thus, the vertical distance ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಮರೈನ್ ಇಸ್ 6200 meter. Hence solved. Fifth problem. Mohan deposit 2000 in his bank account and withdraws 1642 rupees from it, and then next day. If the withdrawal amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, how will you represent the amount deposit? Find the balance in a Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Just we need to find the how much the amount remaining after withdrawal of this amount. Okay na? Mohan ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ 2000 amount ಇತ್ತು, ಸೊ 1600 ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟು ಅವನ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕಾಪಿ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನಂತರ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮೋಹನ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? Amount rupees 2000. Withdrawal amount, how much he withdrawed? Withdrawal amount is 1642 rupees. So we need to find the balance. Balance is equal to rupees 2000 minus rupees 1642. That is equal to how much? Take a carry here, borrow from the 2, that is this become 10, then you can again carry, then carry, this become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, again 9 minus 6 is 3, rupees 358. Thus the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is rupees 358. Hence solved. Don't get panic, children. If the question will be bigger means it will be so simple to find. Okay. Sixth problem. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to B. Here Rita will be here. Rita going from point A to B. From B she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. Here from B to she is traveling towards west, that is 30 km. If the distance towards east represented by a positive integer, Rita is moving from point A to B towards east, that's why I am taking here as a positive integer, that is plus 20. If the how will you represent the distance traveled from a west? We have to they are asking how we have to represent from she traveling from towards west. Okay, by which integer will you represent here final position from A? We have to find the final position of Rita. Okay, Sixth problem solution. I had written here the number line. In the number line, the middle point has taken as a 0, from A to B as a east, from B to towards C. I am pointing point C as a towards west point. Okay. From point A to B is a east towards east, that is positive. Under positive numbers comes under positive. From B to C it will comes under negative integer. Okay. According to the number line, Rita moves towards east is represented by a positive integer. But she is moving in an opposite direction, that is towards west, right? Means Rita is moves west, that is opposite to east direction, that is she is moving from B to C. I am taking is respectively, sorry, it is represented by a negative integer. That is distance from A to B is, that is A to B is 20 kilometer. Distance from B to C is, from B to C is 30 kilometer. So they are asking finally at which integer you will represent a final position. That is distance from A to C. A to C you have to find. That is equal to 20 minus 30. Why I am taking minus is, here Rita is moving in the opposite direction in the same line. So that's why I am taking minus 30. That is 20 minus 30 is minus 10 kilometer. Thus, therefore, the Rita is at final position from A to C is minus 10 kilometer.